Welcome to the Foundational Teacher Training Course Program Blueprint, offered by Superjiv Technical and Management Studies. This comprehensive course spans 60 hours over 5 weeks, with 3 days per week dedicated to transforming expertise into impact. This video will cover 11 key content areas, from the core need of student engagement and the consequences of inaction, to our structural advantages and the curriculum matrix, culminating in a call to action. Our first topic focuses on the core need, addressing the crisis of student and participant engagement, which is a critical issue in technical education. The core problem is evident. 70% of technical student disengagement comes from passive lecture delivery, resulting in less than 20% average knowledge retention. We must transform industry subject experts into effective educators. The structural flaw is that expertise doesn't guarantee effective teaching or student skill development. This program provides the framework to build student capability, leveraging technical knowledge effectively. Next, we examine the strategic relevance of connecting expertise to impact. This is the why behind our foundational teacher training course. Our solution matrix turns subject experts into transformative facilitators through 3 steps, starting with domain expertise, moving to pedagogical architecture, and concluding with flawless classroom execution. Scene 3 addresses the consequences of inaction and the cost of untrained instruction, highlighting the risks of neglecting proper teacher training. Skipping teacher training leads to severe operational waste, high instructor burnout, and massive variances in quality. Performance often depends on individual charisma rather than standardized systems, and expensive equipment may be underutilized. Our fourth segment emphasizes the importance and value of institutional standardization in technical education. Institutional standardization offers predictable quality and maximum asset ROI. It ensures a future-proof scaling model and premium brand alignment, projecting professionalism to global industrial partners. Moving on to topic 5, the structural advantages of why our framework wins against traditional models. Our experiential blueprint shifts focus from information-heavy content to execution-focused performance. It moves from subject-centered delivery to outcome-driven skill design, replacing rigid memory testing with active micro-teaching practicums for better retention. Topic 6 presents the evidence of impact, focusing on data-driven retention gains achieved through our methodology. Empirical evidence shows a clear difference in knowledge retention. Passive reading yields 10 to 20% retention, while active learning through doing and peer teaching achieves 75 to 90%. We now move to topic 7, focusing on the 5-module blueprint curriculum matrix, which is the heart of the training program. The core 5-week curriculum covers learner psychology, outcome-based education, experiential methodologies, micro-teaching practicums, and concludes with synthesis and final evaluations. Each module is designed for measurable impact. Topic 8 highlights the faculty pedigree, built on elite training leadership and extensive experience. Our program leadership is characterized by senior industrial mentors and training experts, a proven track record across advanced engineering fields, and specialized mastery in outcome-based education and institutional scaling. Next, we review topic 9, the pilot implementation timeline for the program. The operational phases include pre-launch readiness for content finalization, the final countdown with script dry runs, the live pilot delivery across weeks 1 to 5, and week +1 for review and standardization to lock the final national template. Topic 10 explores our core philosophy, the essence of true teaching. As William Arthur Ward said, a poor teacher tells, a good teacher explains, a superior teacher demonstrates, a great teacher inspires. This philosophy guides our training toward inspirational teaching. Topic 11 presents the Superjiv ecosystem advantage, emphasizing our unique structural support for educators. We invite you to partner with us to standardize and elevate your technical faculty. The pilot cohort is launching on July 2, 2026. Contact us via email or phone for collaboration. The final scene is a call to action. Join the educational evolution. Partner with us to standardize and elevate your technical faculty. Join the launching pilot cohort on July 2, 2026. For contact and collaborations, reach out via the provided email or phone number. This slide showcases feedback from a residential induction program held at CDAC Bangalore, demonstrating positive reception of our training methodology. Dr. Mini MG, principal of the College of Engineering, Cherthala, provides a testimony on the Faculty Effectiveness Enhancement Training. The training was sponsored by IHRD and praised for being informative and quickly addressing key workplace scenarios. Srikala shares feedback on the training, highlighting the value of the different techniques taught, such as board usage and imparting uniform knowledge, expressing confidence in the enhanced training skills for her team. This scene highlights the initiative of creating new coaches in Cochin, an effort focused on capacity building and development. We detail the interactive training session, explaining the meaning and methods of interaction that are vital for effective knowledge transfer and engagement. This showcases the personalized training session where methodology is key. A tailored approach ensures that the training is impactful and relevant to individual needs. Here are glimpses of our faculty development programs, demonstrating the variety and depth of the training sessions we conduct. For training inquiries, please contact TK Rajiv, Director of Suprajeev Technical and Management Studies in Bangalore. You can reach us via email at suprajeev.trg@gmail.com, visit our website, or call the provided number. Thank you for watching this video. We appreciate your interest in our programs and look forward to connecting with you.